Hello everyone. I can't get the bolts off of the catalytic converter for the original Trailblazer. So I have a lot of penetrating oil and catalyst stuff on them right now, the 5 bolts that I can't get off. So I figured that a very specific person or people would appreciate a cranking of the Trailblazer and revving her up, because I am going to not like rev her until she has a problem, but I'm going to try to heat her up so that way I can hopefully get that penetrating oil in there a little bit better, or penetrating catalyst, and be able to successfully get those bolts off. I know, more talking than you guys wanted, but that's the primary reason for this video. So, keys are already in the ignition. Hopefully I don't have to jump start her. I have Gladdy going right now because Gladdy was dead and the CJ was dead. And so I'm going to also crank up the Jeep in a minute to make sure she's good. Well, let's wait for her to like settle out a little bit. Come on. And in a couple minutes, I will smell all that stuff under her, stinking her up, but you guys won't smell that. Stabilize. Come on. One more drop down. And then I won't feel bad about revving you. Oh, I smell it. It's smoky and I smell it. $2,200, that's all I get. Oh goodness, it's a lot of smoking. That's making me very nervous. Okay, she's okay. You guys get a couple more revs, complimentary rubs. It stinks. Super duper stinks. Alright. Jesus, it smells so bad. Oh man, it smells bad. Okay. And I'm gonna do another little video too. And the barefoot is just, I'm barefoot because I'm working. I typically work barefoot. I'm just special like that. I don't know. Look at her. She's all sad-catted. She's like lift up. Sideways. Oh. She's sideways. Poor girl. Oh, and what's really funny is that like T2 and the Trailblazer look like they're having a conversation. They're really cute. T2's like, haha, mommy has to work on you. Oh, well, I have like dog food. Or no, that's like charcoal. Charcoal in the front seat. And then Trailblazer's like, shut up. I don't want to hear it. I'm older than you. I have more miles than you. But I'm more reliable than you. Even though she's dirty. So when I have time and when it stops back and forth raining, I will be washing her. Because even though she looks shiny in this video, she is not shiny. Look at that. Yuck. And look at this one. This one is always, this is also yucked up. What? Okay, I don't know where that dent came from. And bird poop. But the worst one, She looks so bad. Poor girl. Don't judge her with her clear coat missing. I'll give you guys a couple more rubs because I talked and like, I don't know. I'm all like sad catted up. Happy? Okay, good. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.